Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology Nightingale, Maniology Foils, Miscellaneous 079, and Bases Loaded Lacquer. Can you not? I've started off with a combo of Nailtiques Formula 2 and IMK Peeleze. And here is Maniology's Nightingale. Real nice, soft, pinkish, purpley color. You know, nothing fancy. And here we go. We're just going to get on into it. Now, as far as a base color polish, this is beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. You know, I am going to be playing with foils. But when I play with foils, like full coverage foils like these, I try to pick a polish color that will, you know, coincide with the foils in case there's a bald patch. I am going to top these nails with some of the INMs out the door. If I can spit it out, and we're going to cap our free edge here. I'm going to get that to dry down. Here's a swatch photo of Nightingale on its own. And these are the foils that came in the Maniology box 1 month. I don't remember which month. I'm just going to cut out some pieces to fit my nails while I'm waiting on that polish to dry down with the top coat and all. And my nails aren't really long, so I'm not needing like big, humongous chunks of these. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to cut them down into smaller pieces. And these looked really pretty. I was really excited about them. But, you know, and maybe I need to revisit this because the instructions did say to repeat it. This is also the little foil glue that came in the same Mani by Me box. And I've got a wonky brush and it's kind of hard to get on, you know. But I struggled through it, struggle bussing, and it's okay. I got it on there. And you put that on and you let it completely dry. You know, it's got to dry down good. A lot of these nail foil glues will change color. I don't really notice that with this one, but it does look different. Once that's dry, I'm going to take one little square and mush it down onto the nail. And this time I'm using a Q-tip to kind of rub it all in. Now the instructions did say to repeat as necessary. And now I've got my Cuticle tool out working on it too. Just to show you there's all kind of different ways of doing this stuff. I just want to get it, make sure I'm getting like, because these are full coverage. If it's just like a pattern, I don't mind it being a little different, but there we go. I mean, it's pretty, but, I don't know, it needs a little more. You guys know me, I'm all about some more, you know. So, I'm just going to chat while I'm doing some more of these nails. Getting woody involved, running down the sides. Because you really want to make sure that you've gotten down on those side walls and down on that tip of the nail. That seems to be the spots that, you know, get missed or have bald spots, at least in my experience. And then you pull it off. Ta-da! And I'm not trying to be a nay-nay girl. I swear I'm not. I didn't love them as much on my nails as I loved them in the package. And that's just really odd for me. So, I'm glad this was a freebie. And not something I paid for. Well, I mean, I paid for it because it was in the box. But you know what I'm saying. This was like our little extra gift or whatever. So, I don't know. I'm going to revisit it, though, because there were many more sheets left. There was, you know, a lot more left. And I don't know if maybe layering it, like doing more layers, would make me like it more. We'll see. We will revisit it at some point. It's not going to be today, and tomorrow's not looking good either. So, but I will try to revisit it at some point. Use my little, look, that little Q-tip's getting a workout. It's getting all bent looking, but I figured, you know, if I went with that, I would, you know, I'd be okay. Wouldn't be gouging stuff. Oh, I could tell it wasn't sticking good over there. Some more smushy smush. Some more smushy smushness. Alright. So once I got these nail foils done and I do my cleanup, I'm going to top it with this is the Revolution, and it's the top coat 4 foils by Picture Polish. And once that is totally dry, I'm topping it with Poshe top coat, because I'm thinking this is the end of the manicure. You guys know, no. Cap my free edge, because I'm thinking I'm done. Oop, got a manicure done. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. Then I decided it needed some basis loaded lacquer. Can you not? From her topper collection. Look how pretty. I'm going to jazz this thing up. I know a lot of you might remember the fairy dust craze, man. If you did a manicure and you hated it, fairy dust on that and you'd love it. So there we go. I'm liking it much better now. I'm going to top it again with the Poshe top coat. Be glad I got that peel off base coat going on. You know what I'm talking about. And then this manicure is going to be done. And I'm going to wear it. And I'm going to be okay with it because I got some Can You Not on top. So, hi Woody, how you doing? So that is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.